Hi guys, I'm Farid, and in this video you'll learn how to make websites quickly and easily in just 10 minutes. Let's start building the website. First, you need to know that to make a website you need a hosting and a domain. Basically, a hosting is where your website will be hosted on the web, and domain is the name of your website. For hosting, I recommend Sitegruond.com. I've been using them since 2016 and they're one of the best providers that I've ever used. I've included a link with a discounted offer in the description below. The discount is more than 50%, so feel free to check them out. For domain, I recommend getting it from GoDaddy.com since the price is usually higher on the other websites. Now, let's go to Sitegruond.com and get our hosting. Now, we need to click on web hosting and click on get started. Now we have some options here. We can either get starter plan or grow big plan. I recommend going with a grow big plan because of unlimited number of websites that you can host on this plan. Instead, in the starter plan, you can only host one website. One thing to note is that all of the plans have 30-day money-back guarantee, so if you're not satisfied, you can easily get a refund from them. After selecting the plan, let's say you're gonna go with this plan, you can either register a domain from Sitegruond.com, or if you have a domain, you can just press on I already have a domain and just proceed with your existing domain. You can get the domain from GoDaddy, which I recommend since the price for the first domain that you can get from GoDaddy is actually 0.99 cents, basically €1, and the price in Sitegruond is actually $16 per year. Now, the only difference is that if you get the domain from the GoDaddy, you will need to forward the DNS servers to the Sitegruond, which I will go over in this video. Let's go to GoDaddy.com, and now we need to select a domain for our website. What you need to do is select your desired domain, and then after you find it, add it to your cart, and then proceed to checkout. I'll just show you the process with a random domain name. Now, let's say I want to buy this domain, which is very unlikely, but let's say this is the one that I selected. I recommend you get .com domain because it looks professional. Now, here we have three options. I recommend you choose privacy protection because it prevents others from seeing your website registration information online. If you don't want to choose that option, that is also not a problem if you're just making a website for yourself. However, if you're making a website for a client or a professional website for your business, then I fully recommend you go with this option. Proceed with the choice and then continue to cart. There is nothing else to change here. Just let's say you don't want this and then continue to cart. Now, you see the price is astronomical compared to the €1. So you need to change this to 1 year. And now the price will go down to €9.99. The reason it is not €1 is because I've already bought other domains from GoDaddy.com and it's not my first purchase. For you, the price will be €0.99. Now you will need to check out, and basically after you check out, you're done. So after you're done with your checkout, you need to come here and click on your customer ID, click on my products, then click on DNS, and here under name servers you need to click on change. It will be selected on recommended, and you need to select the second one and then change to name servers to these two Sitegruond's name servers. You can take these from the description below, or you can just copy them from the Sitegruond's website, or you can just type them in as you see on your screen. Then you need to click save, and you're basically done with GoDaddy domain setup. Now, one thing to note is that it can take up to 24 hours to set up new DNS servers, but usually it's finished in a couple of hours. Now we need to go to Sitegruond.com. Now click websites, and now I'll just show you the process on Sitegruond. Since you already bought a domain from GoDaddy.com, you need to select existing domain. Now you need to type a domain right here. I'll just type a website that I made. Alright, so now you need to select Start New Website, click on WordPress, and then input your email address and make a password for it, and then click Continue. Now, after you've done that, you have set up your WordPress login and password. Now, all you need to do is go back to websites. Let's say this is the website, the domain that you set up. Now, you need to click on Manage and then WordPress Kit, WordPress Admin. Alright, now that we are on this landing page, all we need to do is download a theme for our website, and the theme that I recommend is Astra. The reason is that it has a lot of different templates for different industries and it is free. You cannot find it in the WordPress library, so we need to go to wpastra.com and click on download. You can write your first name and email address, or you can just press no thanks and download the zip file. Now, after you download the zip file, you go back, you press Appearance, Themes, Add New, and upload the theme. Choose File, choose the zip file that you just downloaded and install now. Alright, we're done. Now we need to activate, and the theme is installed. So here we have the Astra theme and we have the starter templates right here. If you don't have these templates, it's easily fixable. You go to Astra Options and you will have a button here saying to download the templates. You just click on that. Now we need to select this, go to free version, and here are all the templates that you can choose from. I'm gonna choose this one, and you can choose to import different pages one by one, or you can choose to import the whole theme template, and I'm going to choose to download the whole theme, and this is preferred because it will delete everything on your website that you had before downloading and putting the theme on the website. So basically it will not override with other stuff, and it will actually overwrite it. So I'm gonna click on import, and now we're just gonna wait. Alright, we're done. Now we can view our site. This is how our website looks. Looks awesome already, and all of these are changeable, and you can basically change and edit everything, like photo, you can change the text, you can add video, anything you want. Now you can go to plugins, and you see this Elementor already downloaded. So this is the plugin for building the websites, and this is the free drag and drop the plugin for WordPress, and there are some advanced ones which is Divi and Avada. I'll be covering them in my other tutorials later on, but for now we'll be using Elementor's free version, and I'll just show you how you can do that. So all you need to do is visit your site, and then this is your website already built. You need to click on Edit with Elementor, and now as you can see, your website is here, and these are your options, your editing options. You can just write anything like this, and you can change like how it is located in the box. You can add some extra boxes, you can add video, like just add new section, click on one section, click on plus sign, and just drag the video and drop it right here. You can put a link to the video, and basically you can just experiment and you can make the website that you want. Basically we are done with building the website. Thank you for watching, I hope you liked it. If you did, please like this video. Consider subscribing if you'd like to get notified when I upload in-depth tutorials on Elementor and other high-end drag and drop builders like Avada and Divi. See you next time.